Welcome back, guys. This is Srikant. We received feedback from the subscriber and from the friend that this channel basically have some kind of advanced stuff. So they want to start their SQL journey and they just want to understand from the start. So I'm focusing to create a basic video for the beginner. If you really like our video, please comment over the video and please share. That will help us to reach to the maximum people who really in a search of the related stuff. Yeah, let's start. So as this is the first video, I'm going to show you how to connect to the SQL Server. you know First of all, what is SQL Server? You should understand SQL Server is a product of Microsoft has worked on the RDBMS, that's a relational database management system. So Microsoft has their own product called as the SQL Server, right? Microsoft SQL Server, which basically contain the solution for the relational database management system. Then what is relational data management system again? Relational database management system is a one kind of database management system where the data is in basically in a relation. There we have some kind of relation between the table, and we can use that relational databases or relational information for the ACID perspective, right? So that's fine. That's all for the introduction. Let's start how to open. So first of all, you need to install Microsoft SQL Server on your machine, so you can get that video or the internet and you can just search and just download it. Now the once it is installed, how you can open it? Just need to search with a SQL Server in your machine. Then this option will come, SQL Server Management Studio. Right, so just click on that. The moment you click on that, one pop-up window will appear in front of you, which basically prompt you to give some information, right? So I'm going to show you what this information it asks. It will ask you, see, this is the pop-up window which basically appear. Here basically we have a server type. Server type is basically which kind of server you want to connect. Do you want to connect to the RDBMS engine? Then you need to use the database engine. If you want to connect, yeah, analysis services, reporting services, integration services. What are these actually services? These are the part of the MSBI, that's a Microsoft Business Intelligence, which are basically used for the different perspective. For example, if you want to design the report, then you need to go with the reporting services. And if you are working on some kind of import export activity, and the that those things are called as packages, those things you need to deploy on the server, and those information if you want to retrieve that, then in that case you need to go with the integration services. Then analysis services, kind of when we create the SSAS cube and we deploy it on the server, and from there we need, if you want to retrieve, then we need to go with the analysis services. Then Azure services, basically if we have the Azure account and all the stuff we want to use. But right now I'm telling you, just focus on this database engine. So what is the server type you are going to use? You are going to use the database engine. Then it will ask you the server name. Sometime what happen, you don't know the name of server. So what in that case, what you just need to do, you just need to click on this arrow. If you are working on your local machine, then browse for more. Then there is an option, here you will see a list of all the servers which is basically installed on your machine. So for the database engine, I have this server which is basically installed on my machine. I'll select this and I click on OK. Let's do that. When I click on a connect, see, it will show you some kind of issue, right? So they try something dot. Oh, see, the connection was successful established with the, but the error occurred during the login process. So there is some kind of login issue now. So let's see what does it ask. The certificate chain was issued by an authority that is not trusted. Then basically there are some problem actually. You just need to fix it. Saying connection properties are there. Right. So this such kind of issue will appear, but normally we don't face such issue. Now let's go back once again. See, again we'll say go to the browse for more. Then again we'll select the server. Then click on OK. Then now see. Now again, what is it showing us? The certificate that was issued by the authority. So basically, sometime certificate issues. Then you need to click on an option. Then you need to check this option. Trust server certificate. You need to trust on the server, right? Just click on OK. you will be connected like this, right? So this is the simplest way where you can basically connect to your respective server. So hope you understood and enjoyed our first video related what is Microsoft SQL Server and how to connect it. This is simple. And for example, someone has shared the credential with you. In that case, what will you do? You simply pass this server name here, then you need to connect here, like you need to use the SQL Server authentication and the username and the password you need to give. So here the server or the IP you will have, then the username and the password. Just click on a connect, you will be connected to the server like this. Hope you enjoyed our video and thanks for watching video. If you really like our video, please comment over the video, so at least we will be knowing that you people are watching this. And thanks for watching this video.